ভালো আছি প্রভু 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 একবার একবার একবার
আমাদের দুজনে ভালোবাসে তখন আমার ছেলেরা ছোট ছোট প্রভু আমাদের বাড়িতে থাকতেন।
আমাদের মাটির বাড়ি ছিল। আমার দাদুর সঙ্গে ওনার অনেক দিনের সম্পর্ক ছিল। এই মন্দিরের পাশে একটাই বাড়ি। আমার দাদুর সঙ্গে ওনার অনেক দিনের অন্তর। একবার অনেক বিদেশি ভক্ত নিয়ে এসেছিল। কি হয়েছিল, ঝড়ের সময় আটকে 11 সালে ঝড়ের সময় আটকে পড়েছিল। তারপর ঠাকুমা কাপড় টাপড় সব বার করে ভক্তদের দেয়। প্রভুকে বলো প্রভু প্রভু
তোমার 2011 সালে যখন ঝড় বৃষ্টি হচ্ছিল এখানে আমরা
অনেক শাড়ি টাড়ি একবার আবার বুঝছে ভয় পেয়ে গেছে কি হয়েছে আমি জানি না। কেন অনেক সমাধি আছে না, হরে কৃষ্ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ। কিছুতেই ছাড়বে না।
একজন বুড়িমা ছিলেন না ওইখানে, আপনাকে ডেকে মুড়ি খাওয়া আনন্দময় তখন থাকতো।
হ্যাঁ
রুমাল খবর দিয়েছিলাম।
এখানে আমার অনেক দিন স্মৃতি, বহুদিন মানে কেউ জানে আমার এখনো এখানে ভগবান নিতায় কৃপা পাবে, কোনো সন্দেহ নেই। Yeah, those who are Dhammas, that they have got the mercy of the Dhamvasi and the mercy of Nityananda. They live very simple. Don't find fault with them. There may be something discriminating in terms of Sutta Bhakti, just like what you also there. But we should not commit offense. But we should be respectful. They are very broad-minded. You see that they are hearing all the time. And they are very simple. So I like all of them. Even simply saying hello and after a long time.
আমাকে ভালোবাসতেন না, আমাকে সেবা করতাম আমি।
They are full of love and affection. Anybody like anything can take from here with reasonable price. They said they live very meagerly, with very small donation, earning. Just as that house, his son is, my son got a job in the police and they built a building. So otherwise they used to stay in mud hut, and so many times the ladies there feed me. Even noon time, she cooked up puff rice and give it. Knowing I have come, she will call me and feed me like a mother. I really feel for them. No less than I should treat them as mother, brother, sister. They're very, very simple-hearted. No duplicity, nothing there. But they live with bare necessities. So we should, if you don't treat them properly, you may commit offense. She asked me to sit at once. I said, so I know their love is, they don't expect something. But it's our duty. We should treat them properly. So many times here I stayed. I saw her little. She has got some disease incurable by Nitai's mercy. Can I think of
Hare
some
Krishna.
light?
Jai Nitai, Jai Nitai.
Many of our devotees of Krishna came and stayed here. Once one German boys and girls came and heavy rain. I said I am not going back because on the road there are places. Scarf ta de de. And she and the ladies all gave their sari. All the they have got wet clothes. All the ladies, German came. And I said, give them reasonable something, and you take care of the saris or not. But they gave. They stayed that. I said, I am not this night going. You may have camera. May not be a lot of money, but like watch. And I don't know, on the way, there are places very, very lonely, both sides mud. I mean, field, and sometimes there is culvert, underneath some guy waiting, and stop the car with something put in the road and then snatch her everything. Even ladies, sari will take her. Mostly they are, understand? So everybody may not be. After at night, government keep guard. But they also sometimes, maybe all the time may not stay. So I see it is risky, I cannot take the risk. But one day, at night, 10 o'clock, one of our devotees, Suradhani, with her whole family, arrived here to take me back. I saw I could understand something she has. I said, I am taking rest. Do not disturb me. If you like, whatever you want to stay here, stay inside. You don't want to go to guest house. I told them, authority, a guest house room, give our family, or to stay overnight. Morning, she wants to take me back at that time to bath. हाँ, तो रात तो 10 से 11 बज गया. कैसे आ गया? How she came so strong desire, want me to be there. Why? You are my father, mother. You take decision. What? You grown up. I tell something. This way I make decision. Now you decide. Fine. I remember. Then either in the car, all of you, your husband, your wife, and your son, daughter, sleep there. Otherwise, I cannot give you more time. Morning I will talk and tell the other, please give them some room. Stay. No more talk. Don't disturb.
গরমের মধ্যে
এখানে রাস্তা বন্ধ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, মন্দিরে গেলে
আচ্ছা, যেমন।
হরে কৃষ্ণ।
হ্যাঁ? আছেন তো
আসবেন।